It's in the air, should be out. Yes, it is. It'll be very tough to hit Trump out of the park. He will give you variations and no pace whatsoever.
And that's his mum watching as well. So happy, it was a good catch. The captain was Multaz, who's the captain. You're right, this one a little bit of pace on it. Wasn't the slower delivery, but I like the fact that he took his time. He knows where the cushioning is. I've been impressed with Matthew Trump so far. He's looked at ease in this arena. Afnan Khan goes to 6. Rawalpindi Raiders 121 for 6.
Just clears the circle, will probably come back for 2. So just the point, it's a clear evidence over here that they were 100 for 2 at the end of 15 and they've lost 4 wickets over a span of 10 runs. And that is what happens, and you suddenly nosedive. Panic comes in, you get those funny runouts. You're trying to hit the ball. It was a good catch though, but not every ball can be hit out of the park, and that is the chance you'll take then.
In the air again, the captain gets underneath it, should be taken, is taken. Slower ball from Trump. Zaya-Ullah tried to hit him out the park. And he keeps impressing.
Yeah, this is exactly what Trump will do. Back of the hand, he's bowled it wide, and the batsman has to put a lot of force behind it, but only can manage it at the 75 marker, and he's an easy catch taken by Uzair Mumtaz. Trump gets another wicket. Zia-Ullah goes for 2. Rawalpindi are struggling with 123 for 7. Oh, wow. That's exactly what you need in the overs where you're trying to be hit on every ball. Yoked him out.
Absolutely. No wonder his mum's got a smile on his face, on her face. This one pace on. So clever because new batter probably thinks he's going to take pace off, a slower delivery. A little sign. We'll try and find out what that sign is. 3 wickets in the over, and he's on a hat-trick. Swift innings. On first ball, Amir Hassan, 123 for 8.
And that's a wide. He's still on a hat-trick.
Pick up 2. Just. Full on. Nice seam. This innings is nosediving. Or shall we say has nosedived. 126 for 8. They're in danger of being bowled out.
That's a brilliant spell from Matthew Trump. 4 overs. 3 for 19. Brilliant stuff. 127 for 8.